Many people are convinced that using leather products is harmful to the environment. They are wrong. The use of natural leather is one of the oldest forms of recycling. Leather is the inevitable byproduct of the production of meat and dairy. Thanks to tanning industry, instead of being thrown out to a dump, leather is transformed into beautiful and durable products for daily use. Substitutes from so-called eco-leather can be quickly worn out, and you must usually throw them away after a short period of use. Genuine leather is a long-lived product which has always been fashionable. Artificial materials are not as durable, trendy, and nice to use. As Europell Group, we get raw or half-finished skins only from verified vendors. We collaborate with trustworthy tanneries which meet the highest standards, according to which they limit considerably the use of water and chemicals in the manufacturing process. Contrary to the common beliefs, the tanning industry supports responsible consumption. Millions of tons of skins are not wasted. At the same time, the number of artificial products made of non-renewable materials is smaller. The carefully selected offer with products made of natural leather can be found on our website www.europell.com.pl.